In this video, I'll show you how to put your Cash App on TikTok so that people can easily support you or send you money directly through your profile. The first step is to open the Cash App on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From your profile page, look for the share arrow or the option that lets you share your Cash App details. Tap on that, and then choose the option to copy your Cash App link. This will copy your unique link to your clipboard, and this is what you'll be adding to TikTok. Now open the TikTok app on your phone and head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the Edit Profile button. Inside the Edit Profile menu, you'll see an option to edit your bio. Tap on that, and if you already have text or a link there, you can clear it out to make space for your Cash App link. Go ahead and paste the link you copied earlier into the bio section. Once you've done that, tap Save at the top right corner of the screen. Now your Cash App link will be visible in your TikTok bio, making it really easy for anyone who visits your page to click the link and send you money directly through Cash App. It's a simple setup, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to grow your TikTok and give your followers a quick way to support you. By the way, if you want an even better way to handle money while promoting yourself on TikTok, I strongly recommend Wise. I use it myself. Wise lets you send and receive money globally with super low fees. Plus, you get a free debit card you can use anywhere. And right now, if you sign up with the link in the description, your first transfer, up to $800, is completely free. Setting up your free account only takes a few minutes.